Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I tell you 10 things you must do for your 2-year baby. 1. Establish a consistent routine. Establishing a consistent routine is important for your 2-year-old as it helps them understand expectations and limits. A consistent routine gives your toddler a sense of security and helps them build trust in you. 2. Speak to them. Speak clearly and calmly to your 2-year-old. This will help your toddler understand what you are saying and teach them language. 3. Encourage independence. Help your toddler become independent by allowing them to do things on their own. Give them choices and encourage them to make decisions. 4. Read to them. Reading to your 2-year-old is a great way to introduce them to new words, concepts, and stories. It also helps them learn about the world around them. 5. Introduce new foods. Introduce your toddler to a variety of healthy foods and snacks from a young age. This will help them develop healthy eating habits and a love for healthy foods. 6. Play with them. Play is essential for a 2-year-old's development. Playing with your toddler will help them develop important skills such as problem solving and hand-eye coordination. 7. Provide supervision. It is important to provide adequate supervision for your 2-year-old. This will keep them safe and help them learn appropriate behavior. 8. Encourage creativity. Encourage your 2-year-old to explore their creativity through art and music. This will help them develop their imagination and self-expression. 9. Give them praise. Praise your 2-year-old for their accomplishments. This will help them build confidence and encourage them to keep trying. 10. Have patience. Being a parent of a 2-year-old can be difficult. It is important to remain patient and understanding as your toddler learns and grows. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.